Hey honey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, girl, we are doing a maintenance Sunday reset, all the above. We're doing lashes, trimming ends, all that good stuff. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video.
Would you pick up right away, or just leave for another day? Would you come through? Would you come through? If I needed you right now, would you already be heading out? Cause my left side's a little lonely. Come and hold me, call you my only one, my one and only. If you care that much, baby, come and show me. Deep talks in your arms up until the morning. So if I call you right now, would you already be heading out? And if you're in town, yeah, you come around, would you let me know right then? Or would you hang out with your friends? Would you see me? Would you make it a point to see me? Even though you have been gone, but it hasn't been that long. Cause all our unspoken words, they seem quiet, but baby, I'm comfortable with all the silence. And I'd be lying if I said I didn't like it, and it'd be way too hard for me to try to fight it. So if I call you right now, would you already be heading out? Heading out, heading out. If I call you at midnight, would you pick up right away? Or just leave it for another day?
Better days of me. As soon as the clouds break, I clear my mind and I put one in the sky. I'm feeling like I could be the one on your mind when you look in my eyes. I want you to stay here, the sun on your brown skin, it eases my mind. Cause I've been a long way and it's been a long day with you on my mind. I want you to stay here on my mind. Drop your location, come spend my time. Tell me you'll stay here on my mind. Cause I love when you make your way on my mind. Yeah. Okay, let me vent for a minute. I ain't met nobody like your body, you built different. Looking at you thinking that's God showing off. I'm just tapping in, I wanna see what you been on. On the real, I'm liable to fall. This world I'm from is cold, but it feel better where we going. And I've been doing fine on my own, but if I hit your line, just say you spend the time. Better days of me. As soon as the clouds break, I clear my mind and I put one in the sky. I'm feeling like I could be the one on your mind when you look in my eyes. I want you to stay here, the sun on your brown skin, it eases my mind. Cause I've been a long way and it's been a long day with you on my mind. I want you to stay here on my mind. Drop your location, come spend my time. Tell me you'll stay here on my mind. Cause I love when you make your way on my mind.
nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone.
Cold-blooded, flood my whole heart with your loving. Find me in the thick of it, swimming towards something that I've wanted for so long. Never even I needed you this much, but some part of me thinks you've given up on us. Let's call a spade, baby. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's
Maybe you could, maybe you could say first. Maybe you could say.
Won't you tell me in advance if you feel like that? Baby, tell me if I give you all I have, would you give it back? Would you give it back? If you would, got that vibe, won't you? So I know that I'll give you tonight. You get it on me. I'm rockin' with you like that, but I get less scared. I don't wanna say what I felt if you turn me down. 99% likely that you like me, but I'm dwelling on that non-zero chance that you don't. So baby, you might have to say it first. I'm no good at speaking feelings, I'm just good at singing verses. I know that you're tired of searching. Say the words I say them first, just say the words, it'll be worth it. Won't you tell me in advance if you feel like that? Baby, tell me if I give you all I have, would you give it back? Would you give it back if you would? Got that vibe, won't you? So I know that I'll give you tonight. You could have your own man.
Your body language, see we conversating, watching how you move, yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day, we're taking turns when I play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make, I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position on your knees, wonder if you stay for a while. Never wanna lose on our time. You know how I need it right now. Come on, baby, take me for a ride. All I think about is you. And I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. Fulfill your desires, put your hands on me. Run your fingers all around my thighs. Play me like a key. Loving how you show me why you're mine. Come and take the lead. Play out all the things you had in mind. All your fantasies. Focus on me, then repeat. Make me hit that do-re-mi. Not a type of sit back, bodies in contact. Come on, let me give you all of me. Whether we're loving or fucking, facing our bed like it's all in or nothing. Don't mind if I mean what's your introduction. Know what to do when I text you, I'm coming. All I think about is you. And I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. Yeah. It's not as good as you and me. We need a day without clothes, without time. A getaway inside each other. Stay suspended in this moment. Don't let my feet touch the floor yet. Let's stay in bed. Come find me in the sheets. I'll be ready. In a cloud with no sound, but I'll breathe. In this space we are safe from our secrets. So let's stay. Lose yourself between my legs. Honey cake for you
Let's keep it simple. There's so many reasons I'm still single, but I'm still looking for a cure. I need a doctor this time around. Don't wanna keep this to myself alone. This thing gets worse every time when I come around love. That's when I throw my brain over the wall, and my heart it go dey convulse. It could be like say I don't know, and my body no dey concord. I throw my brain over the wall, and my heart go dey convulse. It could be like say I don't know. When I feel it all over me, I'm not afraid to love. And I warn you, if I start, I just can't stop. I'm emotional and clingy, that's my flaw. And I got many options, but I want you. So give me your love, make me yours. I want you all over me. I want you all over me. Hold me when I can't breathe. When I can't breathe, would you put me up? When you feel the water over me, self-drowning. Oh no, I can feel myself, I'm losing myself now. Oh no, this thing gets worse around love. That's when I throw my brain over the wall, and my heart it go dey convulse. It could be like say I don't know, and my body no dey concord. I throw my